Founded in 2002, Shanghai Grepack Packaging Machinery Company Limited has specialized in automated and intelligent packaging machines for over 2 decades. Based in Jiading District, Shanghai, Grepack operates from a modern manufacturing base of approximately 10,000 square meters, with over 100 employees, including more than 30 experienced engineers and after-sales technical specialists. Grepack has built an integrated enterprise covering R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. With 24 years of industry experience, Grepack has earned more than 40 independent R&D patents, as well as ISO 9001 and EU CE certification. From product development and precision manufacturing to complete line integration and after-sales support, every process is guided by a standardized quality control system. To serve global markets, Grepack has set up overseas branches in Russia, Vietnam, and Indonesia, delivering rapid response, technical support, and localized services for local and surrounding clients. For more than 2 decades, Grepack has moved forward step by step, always driven by one mission: to upgrade packaging through intelligent manufacturing. 2002, Grepack started with coating machines, marking the beginning of its manufacturing journey. 2005, labeling machines enriched our product range. 2009, launched our first filling machine to enter core filling industry. 2011, horizontal packaging machines released. 2012, Grepack pouch packaging machines launched. 2013, robotic automatic case packing and palletizing systems. 2014, full automatic bulk bag packaging lines. 2016, vertical packaging machines completed our pouch lineup. 2018, capable of full turnkey automated packaging system delivery. 2025 to present, deepen intelligent R&D and speed up global layout. Today, Grepack provides full category packaging solutions for both bottled and pouched products. Filling machines handles with precise dosing, fits diverse containers, and supports custom fully automatic integrated filling lines. Bag packaging machine accommodates all bag types, automates bag picking, filling, and sealing, handles various packaging sizes. Labeling machines fit bottles, barrels, bags, and other containers with accurate, smooth labeling, customizable to connect with automatic packaging lines. Robotic case packing and palletizing systems automatically finish product picking, case loading and pallet stacking for fully unmanned storage and transportation. Our solutions are widely applied in food, grain, pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, animal health, lubricants, chemicals, daily chemicals, etc. Automatically packages all forms of materials, powders, granules, liquids, and pastes. Behind every solution is Grepack's full process standardized management system, covering quality control, refined warehouse management, standardized technical documentation, and systematic after-sales support, ensuring stable and reliable equipment performance. Grepack products are now exported to more than 90 countries and regions worldwide. With rich international project experience, we continue to deliver large-scale automated packaging solutions to customers around the globe. Over the years, Grepack has built long-term partnerships with well-known companies such as Unilever, Nivea, Nice Group, and Cadbury. Through reliable product quality and efficient professional service, we have earned the lasting trust of our customers. Looking to the future, Grepack has a clear global vision. We will continue increasing investment in R&D, actively participate in international standards development, and help bring China's intelligent packaging equipment to the world. Our goal is to become a world-leading manufacturer of intelligent packaging equipment. Let every effort create lasting value. Let every customer gain more from every partnership. Good products, good service, good reputation. This is Grepack's enduring commitment. Grepack, always thinking more for you.